another crypto video. Good morning. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and all you lovely people from all over the world. Thank you for jumping back into another crypto video with Radio Jacob Crypobury. That's right. Today we're gonna talk about Aave. Oh my god, I'm never gonna do that. What is going on with me? Right. Welcome back, guys. If you're new here, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like, hit the notification bell, do those YouTube things that you like to do. So we're going to look at Aave today, rank 45 in the crypto world. We're sitting at $323.60 with a market cap of, a pretty generous 4.2 billion and a 0.2% market cap dominance. So let's just hop right into it. We've had a bit of correction over 30 days, minus 20%, so it could potentially be a good time to enter new trades. So if we just zoom right out, I'm trying to make this video a little bit quick. And I'm sorry, I apologize. We are in pounds and not dollars right now. So what do I see that's kind of happened? Basically, I got in with Aave around, I think it was around £50, but I sold for, a nice, generous 100%. I never thought it was going to go this high. So of course I was really angry at myself for quite a long time. Anyhow, if we have a look here, we can see this yellow box I've drawn in, like the golden accumulation zone. Ooh. Basically, we can see that it usually proves as a good time to enter, because look at these data points. We had resistance, then we had support, lots of support, and then we come below, retested resistance, come below, retested resistance, and now we're coming back down as a support test, in which we kind of got a bounce. It's not really confirmed just yet. But what I'm saying is usually it's like the mean average or the mean value of this particular coin, and it is very nice to look at this. And I don't know why I'm missing my moving average. I can't see it anywhere. 50 day. I don't like to use the 50. I'm going to take that away for now. Sorry guys, we're not going to use a moving average on this video. We're just going to look at some other indicators. But if we have a look here, we can see that we're back in touch with this accumulation box, which doesn't happen very often. We had this descending triangle before, we come out, and then we had our big correction. So just sitting on the RSI, we didn't really become oversold, and I do think it's possible that we can move lower with this particular coin. If we break the support, we're going to lose this level here of 211 if we come below this, and that's one thing we do need to be aware of. What's also very interesting is that we look here on the fib level. This box is actually perfectly aligned with the golden 0.618 Fibonacci level. It's not even a coincidence, it's literally crazy. And if we just check as well from the previous wave that we had, we're currently sitting around, well, we retested the 0.618 Fibonacci level, didn't we? So this always happens. We always come down to usually the 0.6, 0.5 or 0.7 in a correction. And then we took a bit of a relief bounce to the upside over there at 238. So I do think we've got quite a bit of resistance over at 240, and possibly 190 is a level that we could drop to still. If we just look here, the 240, perhaps we'll relief bounce to the previous swing low, but we just got to kind of stay about our wits and, read things as they come. If we hop into the 4-hour chart, it looks like, we had this massive sell-off. It looks like we had a bit of a bear pennant, and then we fell again, and we're trying to recover. Like, maybe we'll come up to this level again and test this resistance, or we've got a bit of resistance around here. But we do have a lot of things to bear in mind, because we were potentially coming up to 344 as one of our price targets. It was 342, but now it's going to prove harder to get back to. I mean, guys, it really doesn't matter if we do correct further. Even if we come to this support level here, and we did fall out and have another 20% correction, we've still produced a higher low. So let's not get too fearful, and let's not worry too much, because in the grand scheme of things, these projects have amazing fundamentals, which is ultimately the price catalyst for these great coins. What I think might happen next is, because it's hard to say if we're done with this correction over here, I think it's very possible that we're going to come down to this 200 level where the support line is, if we do see a continuation of the downside. Otherwise, maybe we'll break through this resistance level over here, and we'll begin making our way to a new realm. Like, if we break this resistance, which is the 0.2. We've got the 0.3 at 255, we have the 0.5 at 265, and we have the golden at 276. So we do need to see a strong impulse in order to see Aave back on track. But we have plenty of time. There's nothing to worry about. Just look out for those long and short opportunities. Be a bit of an opportunist. And we're also kind of waiting for Bitcoin to actually move. I think it is starting to break out of this falling wedge over here, guys. So if we just quickly hop onto the Bitcoin chart. Yeah, it's trying to break out of this falling wedge, but we don't really know if it's a fake out yet. It could be a fake out. It could just come back down, and then we're going to see more continuation to the downside. So be very aware that all of this can happen. But like I say, this is what we know. We know that usually in the past, this has been either a good place to short or long at this particular level right here. We've got resistance here, support here. So if we do come back to this horizontal line and we break it, I'm looking at most likely placing a short trade around 10%. Not significant, but still, it's generous, it's nice. If we come up and we bounce up, potentially 11% there. And of course, if we get to this resistance, there's more upside potential. So keep your eyes out on those levels, guys. And let me know in the comments where you think Aave is going to go. If you're new here, by the way, please subscribe to the channel. Love that I'm getting returning viewers and the same people are coming back, but I'm also getting a lot of new guys as well. So thanks a lot, guys, and have a great day.